Hello students, welcome to the class 9th standard mathematics. Today we shall learn set language exercise 1.6. The first question is, if n of a equal to 25, n of b minus 40 and n of a union b equal to 50 and n of b dash equal to 25, find n of a intersection b and n of u. So without the diagram, we are going to find out the values for the n of a intersection b, that is n of a intersection b and n of u. Okay, solution for this problem is, here n of a is given, we can write it 25, n of b is equal to 40. So here the symbol has changed, so just change it, n of b equal to 40 and n of a union b equal to 50 and n of b dash equal to 25 and n of a intersection b equal to, the formula is n of a plus n of b minus n of a union b. Okay, so we are applying this formula, that is n of a intersection b equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a union b. Here the value is, n of a value is 25, so we are substituting. Here n of b value is 40 and n of a union b value is 50. So if you substitute all these values and adding and subtracting both values, we get, that is n of a intersection b equal to 65 minus 50. Therefore we get, that is 15. Now we need to find n of u. Okay, which means the formula is n of b plus n of b the whole dash. That is n of b value is 40 and plus n of b dash value is given in the question, that is 25. So in the previously if we have seen that is, so n of b value is given, that is n of b equal to 25. So we can write it. Okay, therefore we get 40 plus 25, we get n of equal to 65. Therefore the answers are n of a intersection b equal to 15 and n of union is equal to 65. With this, the first sum gets over. Now we shall see few more important sums, that is question number 4. Number 4. Okay, in a class, all students take part in either music or drama or both. 25 students take part in music, 30 students take part in drama and 8 students take part in both music and drama. Okay, here two events are taking place. Now we need to find the number of students who take part only in music, the number of students who take part in only drama, the total number of students in the class we need to find, isn't it? Now we shall draw the two events as a Venn diagram. Okay. So here I have drawn that. So here I have drawn, that is music and drama. Now here 25 students take part in music, isn't it? So here 25 students are taking part and 30 students taking part in drama. 30 students taking part in drama and 8 students take part in both music and drama. So here in the two events, 8 students are participating. Now we need to find the number of students who take part in only music. But here they have mentioned 25 students are participating in music fest. Okay, here, but the 8 students are participating in both the competition of, that is drama competition. Here the 30 students are participating in drama as well as in the music competition. So therefore here 8 students are common for these two events, that is 8 students are common for music and for the drama. So now if we subtract these values, that is 25 minus 8 and 30 minus 8, we get 17 and 22. Now we can conclude, that is, let M be the set of all students take part in music. Okay. Now let D be the set of all students take part in drama. That's what we have done here. That is music and drama. Next, here n of m equal to 25 and n of d we can write it as 30. And n of m intersection d is the students who took part in music and drama, both the competition. So we can write it as n of m intersection d equal to 8. Now by using the Venn diagram, we can derive the answers. That is, from Venn diagram we get number of students take part in only music, we got 17. Number of students who take part in only drama, 22. And total number of students in the class. So the final question is total number of students in the class we need to find. So therefore we can find it out. So only students participated in the music. The students only participated in the drama are 17 plus 22. And the students who participated in both the events are 8. So completely if we add all these three values, we get 47. With this, the fourth sum gets over. Now let's move to the fifth question. In a party of 45 people, each one likes tea or coffee or both. 35 people like tea and 20 people like coffee. Find the number of people who like both tea and coffee. And the second subdivision do not like tea. The third subdivision do not like coffee. Okay, dear students. So in this question we can understand that is in a party of 45 people, that means in the total number of people we do not know, but we do not know how many people like tea or coffee or both. So we do not know the intersection, but we know the union of the people, or that is total number of people 45. Now they have mentioned 35 people like tea and 25 people like coffee. Find the number of people who like both tea and coffee. Usually, while solving the problem using Venn diagram, if we have a intersection value or intersection data, then it is easy for us to find the remaining values. But in this question, here the intersection is not given, but they are asking us find the number of people who like both tea and coffee. And they are asking who do not like tea, that means T dash, we can take it. So who do not like coffee, that means C dash. Now let's move to the Venn diagram and plot all these values. So we can take this T as a circle, 35 people who like tea. And we take another circle, people who like coffee, that is 20. Now we do not know the intersection of this part, isn't it? The part is, we do not know this part, so we are choosing as that is for the X. Now, for the first subdivision, we need to find out that is who like both tea and coffee. But we need to find this circle for this value. So, here part of this circle is common for this set C. Part of the circle is set for this set. This is T and this is C. Now, this value is 35 minus X. It becomes. Now, this part of the X. Now, this part of the X minus X we can get. And same way, this also we can get 20 minus X because there is a common part which is unknown, that is called X. Okay. Now, they have given one more clue, that is in a party of 45 people they have mentioned. Okay. They have mentioned 45 people. So therefore, that is the total number of people. Therefore, we can write it. That. So, the total number of people, we can write it equal to here 35 people like both coffee and tea, as well as people who like both coffee and tea, and the people who do not only like coffee. This is coffee and this is tea. Here 20 minus x we get. Now solving this one, we could see in the question, let C be the set of people who like tea. Let C be the set of people likes coffee. Here the question, here we need to change. It is not intersection, this is union. N of T union C, people who like tea and coffee equal to 45, and the people who like only tea is 35. People who like only coffee is 20. Now let X be the number of people who likes both tea and coffee. From the Venn diagram we can write it this. Now by using the Venn diagram we can conclude that I have written previously that 35 minus x plus 20 minus x, all the values are included for the total number of persons. So number of people 45 people. So here x will be cancelled. Okay. Here x will be cancelled. Then adding these two numbers we get 55 and the remaining values minus x equal to 45. Therefore 55 minus 45 equal to x. Therefore answer is 10 minus x. Here 10 equal to x. Now people like both tea and coffee is, that is 10 members. And people do not like tea is equal to 20 minus x. Isn't it? From the diagram we can write it, that is who do not like tea means just we have to avoid the coffee and we have to go for the another event, that is 20 minus x. Now people who do not like coffee, in the same way we have to separate the another event and we need to go for another one, that is 35 minus x. Okay, in this equation if we substitute 20 minus x, if we substitute 10 we get 10. The same way here if we substitute 35 minus x we get 25. With this the fifth sum gets over. Now let's move to the ninth question, that is in a colony 275 families buy Tamil newspaper and 155 families buy English newspaper. 45 families buy Hindi newspaper. 125 families buy Tamil and English newspapers. 17 families buy English and Hindi newspapers. 5 families buy Tamil and Hindi newspapers. And 3 families buy all the 3 newspapers. So these are the data given. If each family buy at least one of these newspapers, then find number of families buy only one newspaper. So in the question they have given all the intersection part, that is in a colony 275 family buy Tamil newspaper, 155 family buy English newspaper, 45 they have given, but they have mentioned 125 families buy Tamil and English, 17 families buy English and Tamil, English and Hindi, and 5 families buy Tamil and Hindi. So and for the second subdivision, number of families by at least 2 newspapers we need to find, then find total number of families in the colony. But at the end remember one point, that is and 3 families buy all the 3 newspapers. So this is the intersection for the 3 events or 3 could say in another word, that is 3 items had been taken to find the common elements. Now each family buy at least one of these newspapers they have said. So for the solution, let's see in the Venn diagram, that is let T and E and H represent families buying Tamil newspaper. So English newspaper and Hindi newspaper respectively. Then we could write it that N of T equal to 275, that is Tamil newspaper. N of E equal to 150, that is English newspaper. And N of H equal to 45, that is Hindi newspaper. In diagram, I have plotted here and I have written what is given in the book or in the question. Okay, here Tamil newspaper buyers are 275 members. Okay, here English newspapers are belong to 150, or we could write it that this is Tamil. So we could write it, and this is English, and this we could take it as a Hindi. Okay. Now, Hindi newspapers buyers are 45 families. Now, Tamil and English newspaper. From the question we can write that is Tamil and English newspaper buyers are intersection of A intersection B. Okay, that is 125. So students, here I have changed a little bit that number of N of T and N of E, N of H, but change it as a B, C. Okay, otherwise change it here as a ABC according to your convenience and for the understanding. Tamil and English newspaper N of A intersection B equal to 125. The same way English and Hindi newspapers are B intersection C equal to 17. Hindi and Tamil newspapers are C intersection A, and all the three newspapers belongs to N of A intersection B intersection C equal to 3. Here, the first one we are going to plot. Okay, what is that? Tamil and English newspapers bias, that is intersection of A and B. How much it is? That is 125 families. That is 125 families. Okay, the next one, English and Hindi newspapers. English and Hindi newspapers. This is English and this is Hindi. This is Tamil. Okay, English and Hindi newspapers. How many families are buying that one? 17 families are buying that one. And what about Hindi and Tamil newspapers? There are 5 families are buying Tamil and Hindi newspapers. So therefore, and finally, we could write all the 3 newspapers buyers are A, B, C or T, E, H are 3 families. Now, here we could find the intersection is 3 is common for all this 3 circle, isn't it? Okay, to find the intersection between A and B, to find the intersection between A and B, we are just subtracting from the common one, that is 125 minus 3 we get 122. The same way we are subtracting this. 17 minus 3 we get 14. The same way 5 minus 3 we get 2. Now this answer 122 is common for A and B. This answer 14 is common for B and C. This intersection of A and C is common for the people who buy Tamil and Hindi newspaper and Tamil and English newspaper, and B and C are English and Hindi newspapers. Now let's find the first subdivision, number of families buy only one newspaper. Okay. So here we need to find the value of circle, that is how many families are able to read Tamil newspaper. That's what we are finding here. So that's 275 is given in the total. Therefore we are subtracting, that is 122 and plus 3, 2. So these 3 values are included with this intersection form. So we are adding all these 3 values and subtracting from the total family of Tamil newspaper. So if we subtract it, we get 148. The same way here also, this 3 circle, okay, this part and this area is common for this circle B. So adding all these common elements of the 3 elements or 3 values, then we are subtracting from the English newspaper and we can get 11. The same way, these 3 values are added and subtracted from the total number of families. That is 148, 11 and 26. Clear? Now, number of families buy only one newspaper. Okay? Number of families buy only one newspaper equal to 148, 11 plus 26. So adding all these values we get 185. So this is 148, 11, 26. So adding these numbers we get the answer is 185 for the first subdivision. For the second subdivision, number of families buy at least 2 newspapers, that is intersection between A and B, B and C and C and A, that is 122, 2, 14 plus 3. Also intersection between 3 families, that is equal to 141. Here you see, that is intersection between A and B 122, intersection between B and C 14, intersection between A and C equal to 2, and intersection between A, B, C. All the 3 includes 3. So finally we get, that is 141. For the third subdivision, the total number of families in the colony. So we are adding all the resultant, that is 148, 122, 11 plus 14 plus 3, 2 plus 26. So on the whole we get total number of families are in the colony 326. With this the ninth sum gets over. So this is the final diagram for this.